How to create Reddit ads account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for ads.reddit.com. Now go ahead and tap on the login option there and log in with your Reddit credentials, or you can also create a Reddit account if you don't have one. You will then be prompted to automatically set up a Reddit Ads Manager account. So go ahead and fill in the essential info such as the business name, industry, and account currency. Also add your payment method. It is usually insisted of credit card or debit card, or you can also request invoice billing via Reddit sales if eligible. Also, enter your billing address to complete the setup. Now, in the Ads Manager, tap on the Create Campaign option, or you can also tap on the Simple Create for an easier setup flow. Further, go ahead and choose a campaign objective such as awareness, traffic, conversions, app installs, video views, etc., and then set a campaign name and budget that is daily or lifetime. Also, set your targeting and bid next, and further add an ad creative if insisted. Go ahead and review and launch your ad and then track and optimize your ad by monitoring your campaign performance, that is CTR, impressions, clicks, conversions in ad managers. So this is how you can create Reddit ads account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.